When variable names are more than one word, there are specific naming conventions for how you capitalize the words. So, what is a naming convention? So, at least to what I know, in the context of programming or coding, these are the practices that are deemed correct. Oh, here. So, naming conventions equates to best practices. Yeah, at least to what I know. Anyways, so it says in JavaScript, the convention, or again, in other words, best practices to use is a camel case. Camel case means that the first word in the name is entirely lowercase, but the following words are all titled case. Title cased, rather. Here are some cases of camel case. So we have here the first letter of the first word has a lower one, and the second word of the first letter has a title case which has an uppercase, the first letter only of the second word. So, yep, that is how it looks like in the comma case. Lowered and then yeah. Anyways, so we are to initialize a new variable with the keyword let, or we can also use keyword const. But in our case, let's just use let. And then a comma case variable. First word of the first letter of the first word should be lowercase s, lowered. The second word had the second word no no the second no the first letter of its second word should be uppercase or title case. So and big C and then there and then semicolon. So yeah, nice.